Srimati J.B. Mather Hisam, not present. Dr. John Brittas, demand for setting up AIIMS in Kozhikode, Kerala.
Thank you, sir. In an effort to address regional disparities in the accessibility and affordability of advanced tertiary healthcare services across the nation, the government has been establishing new All India Institute of Medical Sciences in various states under the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana PMSSY initiative. A total of 22 AIIMS have been announced so far under this scheme in various states except Kerala. Kerala is perhaps the only major state in the country that does not have an All India Institute of Medical Science. Nadaji, suniye. The demand to set up an All India Institute of Medical Science in Kerala dates back over a decade. Though the state of Kerala has remarkable feats in the healthcare sector, the absence of a union government funded institution of national importance for tertiary healthcare and research remains a significant gap. Recognizing this, Government of Kerala has already identified and proposed Kinalur in Kozhikode district as a suitable location equipped with all necessary facilities to cater the requirements for a All India Institute of Medical Science. However, despite repeated appeals from the state, a definitive decision from the union government is still awaited. In an answer to a written question raised by me in Rajya Sabha on July 25, 2023, government revealed that the proposal for All India Institute of Medical Science in Kerala hasn't been approved in the current phase of PMSSY. Therefore, I earnestly, fervently urge upon the government to review its stance and expeditiously grant approval for the establishment of All India Institute of Medical Science at Kinalur in Kozhikode district in Kerala.
Thank you,
Sir.
Brittas.
He wants to respond, sir.
K.R.N. Rajesh
Sir,
Kumar.
he wants to respond.
Sri K.R.N. Rajesh Kumar, absent. Manya Sri Harish Biran. Manya Sri Harish Biran,
Yes, sir.
absent.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Yes.
I'm raising the matter regarding the exponential increase in airfares being charged by the airline companies with particular reference to the Gulf region. Rule 134 of the aircraft rules states that there cannot be any monopoly or cartelization with regard to the airfares. The DGCA is the appropriate authority in this regard. The majority of expats in the Gulf area are engaged in blue-collar jobs. They face excessive airfares, particularly on Air India Express. It is also pertinent to note that there are numerous complaints against Air India Express regarding irregular price hikes, inconsistent flight schedules, and abrupt cancellations. On 9th May 2024, 85 Air India Express flights out of 380 were cancelled across the country. And on 12th May, 52 flights were cancelled. More than 400 flights were cancelled and rescheduled within 2 weeks in May alone. Further, the user fee at Thiruvananthapuram Airport has been hiked by 50% by the Airport Economic Regulatory Authority, which significantly impacts air travel and tourism sector in Kerala. In this background, I request the Honourable Minister for Civil Aviation to direct the DGCA to perform its statutory duties and to cap the airfares and to penalize those airline companies who are in breach of the aircraft rules. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Manya Sri Pramod Tiwari ji, demand to approve Unchahar Amethi Rail Line project.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, Unchahar Amethi Rail Line Pariyojana. I am happy the Railway Minister is, Honorable Railway Minister is here. ऊंचाहार अमेठी रेल लाइन परियोजना जिसका शिलान्यास 26 नवंबर 2013 को किया गया था, अभी भी रेलवे के काम की मंजूरी का इंतजार कर रही है। ये उत्तर प्रदेश के 3 महत्वपूर्ण जिलों अमेठी, प्रतापगढ़ और रायबरेली को जोड़ने वाली एक महत्वपूर्ण परियोजना है। इस परियोजना में 7 रेलवे स्टेशनों के निर्माण की कल्पना की गई है। रेल मार्ग की लंबाई 66.17 किलोमीटर है। यह अपने मार्ग पर 81 गांवों को जोड़ेगा। प्रोजेक्ट की डीपीआर भी तैयार हो चुकी है। लेकिन दुख की बात है कि एक दशक से अधिक समय बीत जाने के बावजूद ये परियोजना अभी शुरू नहीं हुई है, अधर में लटकी है। यह परियोजना रायबरेली, सलवन, प्रतापगढ़, अमेठी के निवासियों के लिए जीवन रेखा है। उक्त क्षेत्र के निवासी रिश्तों के माध्यम से एक दूसरे से गहराई से जुड़े हुए हैं। इसके अलावा ऊंचाहार और अमेठी के बीच संचार का और कोई सीधा साधन नहीं है। अठेया, सलवन और अमेठी के बीच कोई टैक्सी सेवा भी नहीं है। अतः यह परियोजना क्षेत्रवासियों को अत्यधिक लाभ पहुंचाएगा। इसलिए मैं रेल मंत्री से इस परियोजना को जल्द से जल्द काम शुरू करने की मंजूरी देने का आग्रह करता हूं कि आम
धन्यवाद
जनता के
माननीय
हित
प्रमोद तिवारी जी। ऑनरेबल श्री पी विल्सन, ऑनरेबल पी विल्सन नॉट प्रेजेंट। डॉक्टर वी शिवदासन, डॉक्टर वी शिवदासन,
Thank you, sir.
concern over rail infrastructure and services in Kannur.
Respected Chair, concern over rail infrastructure and services in Kannur. Rail infrastructure and services in Kannur require immediate attention from the government. Due to insufficient number of tracks, trains are halted at various stations for hours. The number of train services from Kannur station to the south and north is insufficient. The situation is such that after 9 p.m., there are no passenger trains to travel south till early morning. The passengers who need to reach the state capital are left with few options, and the situation needs to be changed immediately. The infrastructure at the Kannur railway station is also in pathetic condition as the number of platforms is insufficient and due to the lack of functioning lifts. Even the differently abled are forced to walk up and down the stairs. There are no toilets in platforms, which causes hardship for the passengers, especially women, elderly, and the differently abled. The number of general coaches in long distance trains have been cut down, and this has badly affected the ordinary commuters. Urgent steps should be taken to increase the number of general coaches in all trains. I urge the government to take immediate steps for improving the rail infrastructure and services in Kannur. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
माननीय श्री चुन्नीलाल गरासिया, माननीय श्री चुन्नीलाल गरासिया नॉट प्रेजेंट। माननीय श्री ऑनरेबल श्री संतोष कुमार पी, demand to change the name of Kerala to Keralam.
Thank you, sir. The demand to change the name of the state Kerala to Keralam is a long pending request from the people of Kerala. Since the state's name should reflect the history, culture and heritage of the people living in the state, the demand to change the existing name to an indigenously originated name is genuinely acceptable. Recently, the Kerala Legislative Assembly has unanimously passed a resolution asking the central government to change the state's name to Keralam officially. Keralam implies the land of Kera, coconut tree. It was the Aika Kerala movement in the 1920s which called for a separate state based on linguistic grounds for those who speak Malayalam. In 1956, a state for Malayalam speakers was eventually formed, but the first schedule to the constitution used the name Kerala instead of Keralam. Last year also, the state government had submitted the same demand to the central government. However, the Union Home Ministry reviewed the Kerala government's resolution and recommended some technical modifications. Since independence, many states, cities and districts have changed their names in tune with the rising demands of the people. Uttaranchal became Uttarakhand in 2007. Orissa was renamed Odisha in 2011. Mumbai was renamed Mumbai and Madras became Chennai. Hence, the central government can take steps to change the name of Kerala to Keralam as well. I strongly demand the union government should take proactive steps to alter the name of Kerala to name of the state to Keralam in the as the earliest.
Thank you. माननीय श्री मुजीबुल्लाह खान जी।
Challenges with National Highway in Odisha. The situation of National Highway in Odisha is currently dire, characterized by significant delay in National Highway projects and inadequate maintenance One prominent example in the Cuttack-Sambalpur National Highway project, which has been a source of immense frustration and inconvenience for the people of Odisha. Many NH projects in Odisha are experiencing massive delay, leading to prolonged construction period and disputed traffic flow. This not only impact commuters, which also affect business and local economic dependent on smooth transport route. Maintenance of exiting NH in Odisha is substandard, with potholes, uneven surfaces, and inadequate signals posing serious safety hazards for motorists. This lack of upkeep contributes to increased accidents and travel discomfort. The Cuttack-Sambalpur NH project exemplify these issues. Their incomplete construction, frequent roadblock, and unclear timeline have caused significant hardship for residents of travelers alike. The prolonged nature of this project had disputed daily routes, hampered logistics, and increased road travel costs. Thank you.
Thank you. Honorable Sri M. Sanmugam.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. I raised to the issue of subject need to expedited track doubling project in the Vilupuram Tanjavur mainline section, Southern Railway. Sir, the people of Tanjavur Delta are demanding for the track doubling project in the Vilupuram Tanjavur mainline section via Mayiladuthurai Kumbakonam. This line will be passing through popular tourist religious destinations like Chidambaram, Vaidheswaran Koil, Mayiladuthurai and Kumbakonam. The main line is an old line and is already saturated through the passenger traffic, and good traffic has increased. The project is pending for a long time. The survey for the whole project is already completed, and I assure the railway that this line being a busy line and giving good occupancy in passenger traffic, they will get good return. I would therefore urge upon the Honorable Minister for Railways and the Honorable Minister for Finance to make adequate budget allocation for this doubling project work so that the people, so the work can be started at the earliest and the project would be operational in the near future.
Thank you. माननीय श्रीमती गीता उर्फ चंद्र प्रभा जी।
जी धन्यवाद। आदरणीय उपसभापति महोदय, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में केंद्र सरकार द्वारा रक्षा उत्पाद को प्रोत्साहन करने हेतु देश में विभिन्न स्थानों को चयन कर वहां डिफेंस कॉरिडोर को स्थापित करने की योजना बनाई गई। इसी क्रम में उत्तर प्रदेश के आगरा, अलीगढ़, लखनऊ, कानपुर, चित्रकूट तथा झांसी में डिफेंस कॉरिडोर स्थापित हुई। महोदय, उत्तर प्रदेश के औरैया तथा इटावा जनपद भौगोलिक दृष्टि से औद्योगिक विकास के अनुरूप परिस्थितियों में स्थित है। दोनों ही जनपद उत्तर प्रदेश के उच्च शिक्षा दर वाले जनपदों में से एक है, परंतु दोनों जनपदों में औद्योगिक विकास की कमी के कारण युवाओं को रोजगार के लिए बड़े शहरों में जाना पड़ता है। महोदय, मैं आपके माध्यम से सरकार से निवेदन करती हूँ कि डिफेंस कॉरिडोर के लिए चयनित चित्रकूट, झांसी, कानपुर तथा लखनऊ कॉरिडोर का विस्तार इटावा तथा औरैया जनपद तक किया जाए। दोनों ही जनपद झांसी तथा चित्रकूट से बुंदेलखंड एक्सप्रेसवे के माध्यम से तथा कानपुर से सड़क व रेल मार्ग द्वारा तथा लखनऊ से आगरा एक्सप्रेसवे के सीधे जुड़े हुए हैं। डिफेंस कॉरिडोर के दोनों जनपदों तक विस्तार से क्षेत्र के विकास की नई संभावनाओं के साथ ही युवाओं को रोजगार के नए अवसर प्रदान हो सकेंगे।
धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद।
माननीय श्रीमती जेबी माथेर हिशम।
Special mention is on the subject demand of measures for the welfare of duck farmers. I would like to draw the kind attention of the House to the distress faced by duck rearing farmers in Kerala, who are continually losing their livelihoods due to the intermittent outbreaks of bird flu, avian influenza. The bird flu scare has resurfaced in Kerala, particularly in the Alappuzha district. Thousands of birds, predominantly ducks, have either died or been culled in recent years. Besides ducks, the infection can also affect hens, quail, geese, and other ornamental birds. The virus outbreaks have become an annual issue. Early confirmation of these outbreaks is crucial to limit culling to smaller areas and prevent massive economic losses for farmers. Farmers need proper scientific advice to manage such situations effectively. Regular monitoring of wild aquatic birds and bird-poultry wetland interface is essential to understanding the prevalence of avian influenza viruses. A year-round surveillance mechanism for migratory birds is also vital to understanding their role in spreading the virus. Simply banning duck rearing for a period is not a sufficient measure to contain bird flu. Local communities are bearing the brunt of these outbreaks, facing substantial economic losses that undermine their livelihoods. I urge the government to take immediate action to establish a National Institute of High Security Animal Diseases (NIRSAD) in Alappuzha, similar to the one in Bhopal, to enable early detection and confirmation of the virus. Additionally, a special financial aid package should also be granted to support farmers who have incurred significant loss. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Honorable Sri K.R.N. Rajesh Kumar.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, today my special mention, demand for banking license for the District Central Cooperative Bank in Namakkal district in Tamil Nadu. Sir, I rising to bring to your attention the urgent need for a banking license for the District Central Cooperative Bank in Namakkal district, Tamil Nadu, sir. In 1996, Namakkal district fabricated from Salem district. The Namakkal district has emerged as an economic hub with strong presence in dairy and poultry farming. The majority of the district's population is engaged in agriculture activities. Various cooperative societies, including agriculture, credit, dairying, and handloom weaver society, operate within the region. Considering the district economic importance, the sustainable deposits around ₹1,000 crores contributed by the societies and public of Namakkal district to the Salem District Central Cooperative Bank. The government of Tamil Nadu formed a committee to conduct a possible to study for the establishment of a new District Central Cooperative Bank in Namakkal district. The committee recommended establishing the Namakkal District Central Cooperative Bank. Acting on this recommendation, the bank was duly established and registered under the Tamil Nadu Cooperative Society Act 1983. The bank commenced operation on the 13th March 2024. In this regard, an application for banking license has been submitted through NABARD to the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, for the District Central Cooperative Bank in Namakkal district. I request the Minister of Finance to look in this matter for grant a banking license to the District Central Cooperative Bank of Namakkal district in Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Honorable M. Muhammad Abdullah.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. Sir, since 1925, the Tanjavur-Pudukkottai Madurai railway line has been a long cherished project for people from all walks of life. This dream project is almost 1 century old. The plan for this railway